Hey, what's up? What about your writing business? Today, we are going to write small letter A 5 times. We have finished all capital letters. Now, drawing letter is too easy for us. It's a good habit to stay in touch with writing daily. Day by day, we are feeling our handwriting improvement. Always we desire to have a good handwriting. At first, we thought it's too hard to acquire, but now we can understand that daily writing habit is just a passion, nothing more. This passion helps to achieve a skill that we desire. Oh, one thing, normal pen is the best weapon for beautiful handwriting.